Good morning, children. This is M. Javid, SA English, ZPT Saler, Mandal Nelikudur, Mahbubabad. How are you, children? Are you okay? Take care of yourself in this horrible situation and condition. Okay, friends? Today, I am going to explain the lesson The New Blue Dress from 7th class English textbook. Introduction. It is a lesson to keep our surroundings and environment clean and tidy. How it should become in our mind to keep clean and green. It will come in our mind by the recognition of others only. It is our duty and responsibility to keep our surroundings clean and green. Now, I can explain the lesson, the new blue dress, in detail. Before going to the lesson, there are some hard words. Find out that meanings. Running water. Water coming from the main supply when taps are turned on. Pavement, footpath. Excitement, strong feeling. Amazed, filled with great wonder. Decent, respectable. Community, people living in the same locality who are considered as a unit. Organized, to arrange. Campaigns, series of planned activities to do something. Now let's say in detail. There is a locality or colony called Gates Avenue in the city of Cleveland in 1909. The season spring came to this locality. In the spring season, everything looks around us green. We can see different flowers, particularly in that season. Everyone wants to put plants, new plants at their houses and making garden to look more beautiful. As usual, the people who lived in the beautiful streets near the Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. But the locality of Gates Avenue did not change. It looks dirty and ugly. It is a short street. It was so ugly. The people who lived in that locality had very little money. Actually, they don't know what to do to make their houses clean and tidy. They were never expected to have any more except to earn money only. The houses of Gates Avenue had not been painted for many years. There is no running water facility. There is no street lights. The streets itself was ugly too. No pavements, and also there is a railroad near the Gates Avenue which added noise and dirty. There is a sound pollution near the Gate Avenue. This is the situation and condition. Even though in spring season the colony was not changed, they were poor people, those who live in that colony. They don't have idea to keep their surroundings clean and neat. Whereas the people, those who live near the Gates Avenue, makes gardens, repair fences, painting their houses. But the people of this colony were not interested to do the same. The children, but there is a little girl who lived in that locality, came to school every day in a very nasty manner, unclean and untidy. But she is not ugly, she is very pretty. She wore the dirty dress that she had worn all winter. But other girls in the school were new and pretty clothes that spring. This girl was not clean, not washed her face and clothes, and even shoes or socks. A dirty smell came from her. Everybody in the school likes to hate her. She was a nice girl, but she did not know how to clean and tidy. No one can told her to be clean and tidy. Her parents were spent their time how to earn money only for the livelihood. So there no one can took care of her in her house. One day, the teacher saw that girl came to school same dress for many years, for many days. Teacher was very unhappy. Little girl was so nice, friendly and polite, but her face was dirty and her hair was untidy. One day, teacher asked, "Why don't you wash your face? You are looking so ugly." The next day, she came to the school with a washed face and her hair tidy. But her dress was same, not washed and untidy. The teacher thought that she can listen whatever we tell. She was not told to keep clean and tidy. There is no interest to her parents to take care of her. The teacher said, "Dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress." She came to school with unwashed dress to the next day also. The teacher thought that her mother was not interested in her. Then the teacher think that she had a sense of listen. She thought that she has to be change her attitude. So the teacher brought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The girl took the blue dress eagerly and ran to her house. When her parents saw her blue dress, which was given by the teacher, were very surprised. In the dress, she looked very pretty. They could not believe their eyes. When her father saw his daughter, he was amazed to find that he had a very pretty girl in her new blue dress. The next day, she came to the school in the new blue dress and she was very clean and tidy. Looking her daughter, her mother observed that she had very beautiful in the new blue dress. Then she had an idea. So as my daughter, she was able to clean her house each and every corner so that it looks very neat and clean. They had used a cloth on the kitchen table. She told her husband that she was ashamed to be dirty when our daughter is so clean. Then her father also changed his attitude. He was watched silently for several months how his wife began to wash the kitchen floor. Then he went outside and began to repair the fences. The next evening, he began to make a garden. During the following week, the man in the next house watched what his neighbor was doing, cleaning, making garden, and he began to paint his house. Observing the neighbor, what was the man doing? They also began to repair the fences and making their garden clean and tidy. Everybody in the locality started to clean their houses and surroundings so that the locality looks very neatly. A big change came over this locality. One day, a young minister of the church passed this area and he noticed for the first time two men working at their houses. He thought that the colony was changed, but there is no facilities like pavement, street lights, and running water. Then the minister asked the important people to arrange pavement, street light, and water pumps. Now the locality had changed a lot. It looks even very beautiful. Now the respectable people, officials prefer to live in that Gates Avenue. 6 months after the little girl got her new blue dress, Gates Avenue had become a tidy and clean. Because of a teacher's thought, putting cleanliness in his small girl brought a big change in complete locality. Now here you can understand how a teacher changes the society. Dear children, one can enough to change the society. It is from you only to start to change the society. Don't wait for anyone to come to help you. If you wait, you will be the last person in that numbers. Even then, it is not possible to you to do anything for the development of the society. Thank you.